Breaking news mga ka-idol. So, Korte Suprema nagpalabas na po ng desisyon. Tungkol po to sa impeachment complaint ang laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte mga ka-idol. So, ayon pa sa balita mga ka-idol, ang Korte Suprema nagpalabas na ng desisyon sa pagdeklara sa Articles of Impeachment mga ka-idol laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte bilang unconstitutional mga ka-idol. So malinaw na dineklara na po ng Supreme Court mga ka-idol. So para po sa kabuuang detalye mga ka-idol, para malaman po nyo ang dahilan bakit ganito ang deklarasyon sa Korte Suprema, panoorin po ninyong balita mga ka-idol. Ay galing po to mismo sa Supreme Court mga ka-idol. So pakinggan po natin.
The Supreme Court has ruled that the House impeachment complaint versus VP Sara Duterte is barred by the one-year rule and that due process or fairness applies during all stages of the impeachment process. I quote, "Our fundamental law is clear. The end does not justify the means." Another quote, "There is a right way to do the right things at the right time. This is what the rule of just law means. This is what fairness or due process of law means, even for impeachment." End of quote. In a unanimous decision today, July 25, 2025, the Supreme Court en banc declared the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional, noting that it is barred by the one-year rule under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, and that it violates the right to due process enshrined in the Bill of Rights. Therefore, the Senate could not acquire jurisdiction over the impeachment proceedings. However, the court said it is not absolving Vice President Duterte from any of the charges against her. But any subsequent impeachment complaint may only be filed starting February 6, 2026. The case stemmed from 4 impeachment complaints against Vice President Duterte. The first 3 were filed before the House by private individuals and different groups on December 2, 4, and 19 in 2024. A 4th complaint was lodged by a resolution approved by more than 1/3 of the House members of the 19th Congress on February 5, 2025, which was transmitted as the Articles of Impeachment to the Senate on the same day. This was followed by 2 petitions filed before the Supreme Court challenging its constitutionality. The Supreme Court decision written by Senior Associate Justice Marvic M.V.F. Leonen ruled that all legal issues involving impeachment proceedings are subject to judicial review. Considering the nature of the offices and the institutions that are subject to impeachment,